Did you know these two words sound exactly the same but could mess up your English? Listen up. Allowed means something spoken with sound like thinking out loud. Allowed means you have permission. So you say, parking isn't allowed here. Not mobile phones aren't allowed in class, that's wrong. Try this instead. Can you speak aloud? Here is a trick. If it's about sound, allowed has loud inside. If it's legal, allowed has two L's like legal. Get them wrong, and your English goes off track. Want more tips like this? Follow EdEN channel.